Welcome to Miami's $9 million luxury mega mansion. This isn't just a home, it's a resort-style masterpiece designed for the ultimate billionaire lifestyle. From its infinity-edge pool to a high-tech master suite and private theater, wait until you see what's inside. Trust me, you've never seen a mansion like this in Miami. Today, you're about to step inside one of Miami's most breathtaking luxury properties, a stunning 8-bedroom mansion valued at $9 million, where every inch of the home exudes sophistication, grandeur, and that iconic Miami lifestyle. From the moment you arrive at the gate, the mansion commands attention with its contemporary architectural design, perfectly manicured landscaping, and a striking facade finished in glass, stone, and steel that reflects sunlight beautifully throughout the day. As you enter the private driveway, palm trees line the path, and a subtle lighting installation guides you toward the elegant entrance, setting the tone for the experience you're about to witness. Walking up to the main door, you're greeted by towering glass double doors that seamlessly blend the exterior and interior. The moment you step inside, an expansive foyer opens up with soaring high ceilings, polished marble flooring, and a floating staircase that feels like a piece of art. A massive crystal chandelier hangs above, adding a touch of luxury while the natural light floods through floor, ceiling windows that span across the living spaces. The open, plan design invites you deeper into the home, where the living room offers panoramic views of the swimming pool and lush garden areas. The living area features custom-made Italian furniture, a sleek built-in fireplace, and state-of-the-art recessed lighting that sets the mood for both daytime relaxation and nighttime ambience. To the right of the living area sits the formal dining space, designed to accommodate large gatherings, with an elegant table seating up to 12 guests, stunning designer lighting overhead, and glass sliding doors that open directly onto the outdoor terrace. Adjacent to the dining area, you'll find the main kitchen, which is a chef's dream. It showcases top-of-the-line appliances from brands like Wolf and Sub-Zero, custom cabinetry, a massive waterfall ledge island with seating for casual dining, and a smart home control panel that manages lighting, temperature, and even the integrated sound system throughout the house. The kitchen also features a hidden pantry and secondary prep area, ideal for catering and events. Moving into the entertainment wing, you'll find a fully equipped private bar and lounge area, perfect for cocktail evenings with friends or simply winding down after a long day. There's a dedicated home theater fitted with cinematic quality audio, plush-tiered seating, and blackout screens to ensure the ultimate viewing experience. Across from this, a temperature-controlled wine cellar provides storage for hundreds of bottles, beautifully backlit to create a dramatic display that could rival a luxury restaurant. On the ground floor, the mansion features 2 guest suites, each with private bathrooms and walk-in closets. These rooms have access to the garden and pool area, allowing visitors to enjoy their own private retreat. Continue exploring, and you'll discover a modern office space with custom-built desks and cabinetry, ideal for working from home while enjoying views of the tropical outdoors. Heading upstairs via the floating glass staircase or private elevator, you arrive on a landing that leads into the master suite. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of tranquility with warm wood accents, a private seating area, and automated shades that open to reveal breathtaking views of the Miami skyline and pool area. The master suite includes a luxurious wardrobe with bespoke cabinetry, LED-lit shelves, and motorized drawer systems, offering ample storage for luxury fashion collections. The ensuite bathroom rivals any high-end spa with a freestanding soaking tub positioned by the window, a rainfall shower with multiple body jets, heated flooring, dual marble vanities, and imported natural stone details that add elegance and texture. The remaining bedrooms upstairs each include private bathrooms, custom closets, and balconies overlooking either the landscaped gardens or the pool. One of the bedrooms has been transformed into a personal wellness retreat, complete with a massage area, yoga studio, and access to a private terrace. Another room is designed as a high-end game lounge equipped with virtual reality setup and an advanced home gaming system. As we step outside, the outdoor area is where this Miami mansion truly comes to life. The backyard is designed for entertaining and relaxation with resort-style luxury in mind. The expansive swimming pool features an infinity edge stretching across the rear of the home. Surrounded by Italian stone, sleek lounge chairs, and private cabana-style seating. The pool comes with a submerged sun deck, integrated jacuzzi, and LED mood lighting that transforms the entire space during the evening. A full outdoor kitchen with built-in grill, bar, refrigerator, and dining space creates the ideal place for poolside gatherings. The covered terrace features automated misting systems to keep guests cool during Miami's warm days, while outdoor speakers are synchronized with the indoor sound system for seamless entertainment. On the far end of the backyard, you'll find a cozy fire pit area surrounded by lush landscaping and ambient pathway lighting. Beyond that, a full-size basketball court, children's play area, and pet-friendly section offer even more functionality for a luxury lifestyle. The property is fully fenced with a state-of-the-art surveillance system, smart security access, and 24/7 monitoring features. Additional highlights include a private gym equipped with the latest training equipment, a sauna and steam room, a 3-car climate controlled garage with electric charging stations, and even a separate staff suite designed for live-in assistance. The entire home is managed by a fully integrated smart system controlled via iPad, smartphone, or voice command. From lighting and climate control to security, blinds, and audio, the entire living experience here is effortless and ultra high-tech. As the sun sets, the house glows beautifully with architectural lighting built into the facade, garden uplights highlighting palm trees, and reflections shimmering across the pool. The nighttime atmosphere transforms the home into a luxury retreat that feels like a private resort. With its 8 spacious bedrooms, resort-style outdoor living areas, world-class amenities, and ideal location just minutes from beaches, high-end shopping, and restaurants, this $9 million Miami mansion offers a lifestyle of pure sophistication and modern elegance. Whether you're hosting lavish events, enjoying peaceful evenings by the pool, or waking up to serene tropical views every morning, this property is certainly one that defines luxury living to its fullest. From the smart technology to architectural brilliance, every detail has been crafted to deliver exclusivity, comfort, and luxury. This is more than just a mansion. It's a statement of success and refined taste. Thank you for joining us today on Elite Estate Tours. If you enjoyed this tour of the $9 million luxury 8-bedroom Miami mansion with swimming pool, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an exclusive tour of the world's finest properties. Comment below and tell us, what was your favorite feature of this Miami masterpiece? The infinity pool, the master suite, or maybe the entertainment wing? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, I'm signing off. See you soon on the next extraordinary estate tour.